Welcome to our YouTube channel Fearless Maths class 12 for your this video because this is the chapter of section C, chapter 1. What is the topic? Demand function, revenue and profit function. What is demand function? Demand function is denoted as small p. Small p is called a demand function. Demand function is equal to small p. And suppose this p equal to 30 minus 5x plus 2x square. This is a function and p is a demand function. What is the demand function? Demand function is equal to 30 minus 5x plus 2x square. This is the function of x. Demand function is equal to is a function of x. Okay, so this is called a demand function. Now I am telling what is revenue function. Revenue function is equal to revenue is equal to denoted as Rx, capital Rx. Capital Rx is equal to x into small demand. X into demand is called a revenue function. Revenue function is capital Rx and the x into p is called a revenue function. The x into demand function is called a revenue function. What is average revenue? Average revenue means x into p divided by x. X into p divided by x is equal to average revenue. X into p divided by x is equal to our average revenue. So what is the meaning of average revenue? Average revenue is equal to only demand function. Now I am telling you the profit function. What is the meaning of profit function? Profit function means profit function is equal to capital PX denoted as capital PX is equal to revenue function minus cost function is equal to a profit function. Profit function denoted as capital PX is equal to revenue function minus cost function is a profit function. Now I am telling you the average profit. Average profit function is equal to what is the meaning of average profit? Profit function divided by x, or you may write revenue function divided by x minus cost function divided by x is equal to average profit, or you may write average profit equal to average revenue minus average cost. This is called a average profit function. Now I am telling you what is the break-even point. What is break-even point? Break-even point. What is the meaning of break-even point? Break-even means when profit function is equal to 0 or implies that Rx minus Cx is equal to 0 is called a break-even point. What is the meaning of break-even point? When the profit function is equal to 0, that x is a break-even point. Means revenue function equal to when revenue function is equal to cost function, that time this x is equal to a break-even point. X is when the revenue function is equal to cost function, this x is equal to a break-even point. Break-even point when revenue function equal to cost function, that time this x is equal to a break-even point. Now I give you the one example. Example number 1. What is the question? Question is a television set, a television manufacturer finds that the total cost of the production and the marketing S number of the television set is given. Cost function is given. This cost function is equal to 300x square plus 4200x plus 13500. Each product is sold for 8400. Determine the break-even point. Each product is sold 8400 rupees. Determine the break-even point. At first I find the revenue function. What is the meaning of revenue function? Revenue function is equal to, I already told, this is equal to x into p. Each product is sell 8400. Now what is 8400? This is equal to x into 8400 is a x into 8400 is equal to our revenue function. Now what is cost function? Cost function is given that this sum is ML Agarwal book exercise 1.2 sum number 3. Exercise 1.2 ML Agarwal APC sum number 3. Cost function is given. Revenue function is equal to x into p. Each is sold rupees 8400, means x unit is sold 8400. This is equal to the revenue function. You find the break even point. I already told profit function is equal to revenue function minus cost function. When the profit function is equal to 0, that time you find this x is called a break even point. Now I am writing profit revenue function is equal to 8400 into x minus 300 x square minus 4200x minus 13500 is equal to 0. These are Rx minus Cx is equal to 0, means 8400x minus 300x square minus 4200x minus 13500 equal to 0. Now I find the value of x. This x is called a break-even point. And now I am telling 8400 minus 4200 minus 300 minus, this is minus 13500 equal to 0. Now obviously this is a minus sign, and automatically if you common the minus, this is plus, and after that x this is plus, and x is equal to common, x minus 9 and minus 5 is common, x minus 9 equal to 0. Then x minus 5 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 9 is the break even point. Break even point is equal to x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 9 is called a break even point. Okay, understood? What is the meaning? Meaning, if the profit function is equal to 0, then you may say that this x is called a break even point. Okay, that's all for today.